Wow. All right, slow down, slow down.
Left side.
All right, turn, turn, turn. Wow, that couldn't have gone better.
But make sure you guys watch all the way until the end of the video because this is probably the best reaction we ever got to any of our details before. And what's really cool about it is that Tim last saw this car when he was about 7 years old with his dad, and he got to share this moment with his kids who are around the same age. So it was like a full circle moment, and it was really cool to capture on camera.
Oh my goodness, look at that, he's driving it. Get out of here. Unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Look at what you guys did with this chrome.
Awesome, dude. Awesome job, guys.